Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen where I am finding and making keto-friendly recipes that will keep me satisfied, focused, and in keto. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So everybody knows that there are 4 seasons in the year, but did you know that there is a fifth season? hmm The fifth season is ice cream season, you guys. Let me tell you, the heat is up, and so are our taste buds for ice cream. And the beauty about being keto is that you get to make delicious homemade ice cream in the comfort of your own home and also turn up the creativity on the recipes that you put together. There is nothing better than homemade ice cream. And even if you're in keto, guys, you can have your ice cream. So today I am kicking off my ice cream season with one of, I think, about 5 recipes that I came up with. So I'm going to show you what I made today in just 1 second. But let me just tell you what is up and coming on my ice cream menu. I have in the future, near future, you guys, I am going to be bringing you a double chocolate brownie delight, a blueberry cream cheese swirl, a peanut butter chocolate chunk, a vanilla chocolate chip, and a not so Reese's peanut butter cup ice cream. Oh my God, guys. Now, I will put out a warning. Do not make them all at the same time because they are all that delicious. And the beauty about the whole thing is that they all start with the same base recipe. So I'll tell you about that in 1 second because it's warm in here and this ice cream over here is calling our name. So today's recipe is a mint chocolate chip ice cream. And here it is. Yes, you guys, it looks delicious and it tastes even better than that. Now, let me tell you what I did with this particular ice cream. Instead of putting a essence or an extract in it, peppermint, what I did is I infused 1 cup of 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. I infused 1 cup with fresh mint. Oh my goodness, you guys. So this is the mint that I purchased. And again, I infused 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream with the fresh mint. And the way that I did that was I put 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream in a saucepan. I put a couple of the mint leaves in it after rinsing them off, put that in there, and I let that heavy whipping cream simmer on a really, really low heat. And when I tell you the freshness and the flavor of this mint just went into this cream, oh my gosh. And then I used it to make this ice cream. Out of this world delicious, you guys. So if you want to turn up the volume on your mint ice cream, this right here is the answer to it. This stuff is amazing. And another thing that I've been doing recently as well is when I first started making this ice cream, I was using erythritol. Guys, the thing with erythritol is the fact that I think because of the alcohol content in it, it makes your ice cream hard as a rock. Flavor is great, but you have to wait like forever for it to melt some in order for you to scoop it out of the container. Then I came across this allulose game changer. I just scooped this out of the container and look at how creamy it is. I didn't have to wait any time at all in order to enjoy this ice cream. So good. Telling you, this fresh mint is a game changer. And again, making homemade ice cream, it is nothing like it because you're using fresh ingredients And again, you can turn up the volume on your creativity. Now, getting back to what I was telling you before, as far as the base recipe is concerned, you know, in all actuality, it reminds me of an old Breyers commercial. And this is the one where they were trying to prove the purity and the naturalness of the ice cream by having little children read the ingredients on the carton. I don't know if you remember that recipe. But this is the same thing. All it is heavy whipping cream, unsweetened almond milk, a sweetener. Again, I'm using allulose and vanilla extract. Those are the ingredients used to make the base for this ice cream. Then after that, again, whatever it is that you feel like putting in your ice cream is all up to you. And again, I have come up with 5 recipes that I will be sharing with you. Looking forward to that. And if you guys, after you make this ice cream, if you love it just as much as I say that you're gonna love it, please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share. Please do subscribe to my channel. And please do leave your comments and let everybody know just how much you love this mint chocolate chip ice cream. I promise you, you are going to absolutely love it. So guys, until we meet again, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. Now stay tuned, and I will roll the footage so that you too can make this delicious mint chocolate chip ice cream. Thanks for joining me. These are all the ingredients that you will need to make this delicious mint chocolate ice cream. So you guys go ahead and pre-measure so that we can make this ice cream together. We're going to start with infusing this heavy whipping cream with the fresh mint. So put a few mint leaves into 1 cup of the heavy whipping cream and let it simmer for about 1 hour, and then let it cool. Next, you are going to chop 2 to 3 blocks of chocolate. And of course, you can use your favorite chocolate here. I'm using Lindt. And I do believe for my recipe, this time around at least, I used 2 blocks of the dark chocolate. Next, we are going to strain this mint-infused heavy whipping cream. And I tell you guys that fresh mint makes all the difference in this ice cream. To it, we are going to add another cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, stir those together, and then 3/4 cup of allulose sweetener. And the reason why I use the allulose sweetener is because it leaves your ice cream creamy. You are going to mix everything until the sweetener dissolves. Next, add in the chopped chocolate chips. Give this a stir, and this mixture is ready. So I'm going to put it into a container with a lid and refrigerate it for 2 hours. 2 hours later, we are now ready to churn this ice cream. And as you can see, I am using a Cuisinart that I purchased from Amazon. And if you're interested, I will leave the link to this machine in the description. This has been set for 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, we have this delicious fresh mint chocolate chip ice cream. All we need to do at this point is to put it into an ice cream container, freeze it, and then it will be ready to serve. This ice cream is absolutely delicious. So you guys give it a try and leave your comments to let me know how much you love this as well. Bon appetit.